Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Ford Mustang. Stock number is 18F604A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You do have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Pirelli tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mustang on holidayautomotive.com. Inside, cruise, audio and Bluetooth controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. Like I was saying, visit us online at holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.